Hello everyone and welcome back to today's weather video. So this is part 2 of Winter Storm Uri and it is Monday morning, so we're going to get right into it. So the actual center of the low center and everything is down here in the actual south, which is kind of interesting for an actual low pressure to be all the way this down south. However, it is going to be making its way northeastward into parts of the Appalachian Mountains. So it is going to be riding across the actual northeast later on today on Monday and into tomorrow on Tuesday. So what is that going to mean? Well, a lot of snow is going to be falling into most of the interior parts of the Northeast. So we have winter storm warnings anywhere from Kentucky, Ohio, western Pennsylvania, western New York, and western and north parts of New England. These places could be picking up 8 to 12 inches of actual snowfall, anywhere from Columbus to Cleveland, Pittsburgh, Buffalo, Albany, Burlington, Vermont, going into Mount Washington. If you're familiar with Mount Washington, highest peak on the East Coast, in the Northeast, in New Hampshire and everything, and then obviously in two parts of Maine. That's where we're going to see the heaviest snowfall from Winter Storm Uri. On the east side of the actual storm, I-95, it's going to be a washout, unfortunately. From DC to Boston, we're going to mainly see rain out of this system. We could be starting with some icy conditions extreme north and west of the I-95 corridor, like along interstates of 81 going from Virginia into Pennsylvania. However, the immediate actual I-95 corridor, I believe, is going to just be rain from this actual system. However, Boston, you are going to start off as some snow. However, from that snow, we're going to change over to a wintry mix and then rain, just plain old rain, as the system comes northward. Again, this is going to be happening today on Monday, and then going into Tuesday morning. Now, back here in the actual south, we had winter storm warnings for like the entire state of Texas, which is pretty much unheard of. So Dallas has seen snow, Oklahoma City has seen snow, parts pretty much all of Arkansas, northern Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, like Nashville. You've all seen some wintry weather with Winter Storm Uri. So this is a very, very deep and very cold storm that we're dealing with. However, it is going to be moving right over the actual Appalachian Mountains. So again, places eastward, we're going to be drawing in that moisture from the actual Atlantic, but we are going to be keeping it on the warm side, so we're not going to see a major snowstorm along the I-95 corridor. We are going to see that snow into parts of the interior Northeast, with the places I mentioned earlier from Kentucky all the way into Maine. So that is going to be the main event. And again, this storm is not a quick mover, it's more of a slow mover. So we're going to be dealing with this for throughout all the day on Monday and Tuesday for most places. And then on Wednesday, it should be out of here into Atlantic Canada. However, yes, you guessed it, we have another storm system that is going to be making its way into the Southern Plains on Wednesday and moving into the East Coast Wednesday night into Thursday with the potential for more wintry weather. So I'll have another update on that in the next 2 days. Other than that, enjoy your holiday since it is Monday. Happy President's Day. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you all next time.